Now, this is a 8-inch diameter cardboard ceiling fan that I'm working on for my ECA in school. If you're wondering what that stands for, extracurricular activities, sort of like that. Anyway, it's all taped down. No glue involved yet, but when I'm actually in the ECA classroom, might glue gun it. Blades, it's all completely made out of toilet rolls and a computer fan, as you can see. This upgraded blades will move more, not really so to move more air so much, mainly so to move more wide, but it actually moves more air, I think, with these blades than with the tiny little blades that are originally on it. Just put 2 blades. I think that's enough, but I might change that. It's just the first stage, just planning it out and see how it'll be like. Anyway, this darn adapter, this was cut off. So AC/DC adapter. It's a 12 volts, 12 watt fan. Now the case for this fan was originally in a case. It's originally an aquarium, a fish tank fan. We had a fish tank before. We tried using this, but it didn't work with the fish. Just got stressed about it. Stressed out with that. Anyway, this fan is out of balance, so I expect a lot of shaking when I turn it on. I'm gonna suspend it by the wires for a short while, but not too long. I'm still gonna work on the upper canopy and the mounting. The upper canopy might be a paper or plastic top, but anyway, that will not be in a while because then I'll have to basically I'll have to do the whole thing all over again, except these. I won't have to do the blade all over again, of course. Anyway, I'll have to hold it when I'm wiring it up and plug it. If you look, it's kind of similar to that. But anyway, noisy. Something's rubbing, but anyway. Whoa! Didn't plan for that to happen. I might also upgrade it to try and make a reverse switch and maybe buy a variable, a solid state control for it. There it is. I'm afraid the blade's falling down, so I'm not doing it for long. But it does move good air. Surprisingly. Put it down and I'll leave that for a while. There it is. Dancing. Good impression of a pop dancer. Not really, but it's a good impression of someone basically just shaking and twirling his arms, basically. Stay down. This is broken. I tried to use it for here, but it didn't really work. Just to hold the window open when it's windy, but not really. So anyway, I'll show you this spin down one more time, but this time it'll be while it's upside down. I mean, not upside down, it's up while it's the right side up. There. Now, if this is gonna go on a display of any kind, this is gonna have to be wound up around the down rod or whatever, but if this is gonna be on display of any kind, God knows where, I'm gonna have to wind the cord up, and I'm still working on the mounting. I might put a paper cup or plastic cup over here if I hadn't said it before, and put string there.
Can I see?
Anyway, there you go.
Oh.